How y'all doing? This is George the Fearless Rambler, and I'm hoping you guys are having a wonderful day. Here we are sailing on the Caribbean Princess, and I think there's a vlogger rule that states, rule number 1, if you're on a cruise, you have to do a cabin tour. Well, here it is from us, Stateroom C606, with its problems, hacks, and even details on its premium balcony. So if you're interested, come join us. After we were done getting our reservations for the sanctuary, had some lunch, and fixed our specialty dining reservation, we decided to go check out our cabin to see if it was ready for inhabitants. Our stateroom was C606, a B2 category, what means it's a premium balcony. We were on the Caribe deck, what means in Spanish Caribbean, and that is deck 10. That's just above the Dolphin deck and just below the Baja deck. How you doing? Good. As I pass our steward, I just want to tell you, he did a wonderful job on this trip. Thank you.
Well, 606, that's ours.
Walking up to the cabin door, our door recognized us.
Here we go.
Showed us our names and even unlocked it. That's because we were wearing our medallion. That's our key. And that's the key to success. At least on this boat.
And first impressions, reminds me of the room on Sovereigns of the Sea. And size-wise.
Since our stateroom is a premium balcony stateroom, the difference between most staterooms that are balconies and this one is the size of the balcony. So let's take a focus on that for a few minutes.
But we're not. Now, this is an extended balcony. The regular balconies only go out to...
Well, you can see down below.
Right here. That's the regular balcony.
Right here where this
nope.
Well,
where this
on this side
the overhead. The overhead.
Yeah.
So about right here. So if you're actually
you would just
on
have a
regular
little
balcony,
bit room for your knees.
Right. So that's what all the other balconies are. Now these balconies are actually bigger than the mini suite balconies that are below us, but they're not covered at all.
They have a big room, smaller balcony.
Bigger room, smaller balcony.
Make it a mini suite.
So I'll take a picture of that mini balcony here.
They're still bigger than I thought they would be.
Yeah, they are big. They are bigger, not quite as big as this balcony, but the room.
Here you go. You can see the difference.
The room extends all the way. This much bigger right here.
Yeah, because they get a couch and stuff.
Just below our stateroom is deck 9, or the Dolphin deck, where the majority of the mini suites sit. They're quite a bit larger, 323 square feet, and they include a large balcony, somewhat like ours. This spacious stateroom provides a seating area with a sofa bed, a full bath with combination tub and shower, where our bathroom here is really small. So if you need that extra space, certainly a mini suite would do ya.
Now the extended balcony, or the premium balcony,
Now these are the little ones up here.
are the ones that extend out further than the regular balconies that we see above us. And you do get a little bit of covered balcony right here.
The ones above us are the little balconies, the regular size.
Regular balcony cabins.
Bigger than I thought they were going to be.
And they call them veranda. For us,
We have lots of room out
we have
here.
lots of room. So if you're planning to do one of their balcony dinners, you got plenty of room to do that.
I just want to note on this particular cruise that Princess Balcony dinner or breakfast was not offered.
And look, we asked for a seaside view and we got one.
Well, here's one of my quick urban legends. There was a couple down at Passenger Services
Beautiful.
complaining while they're in port that their view from their stateroom was looking at the port, and they requested a seaside view. They demanded that their stateroom be changed immediately. True or not so true? Believe it or not, that's true. No, I'm not doing a sobriety test, not yet. The cruise just began. I'm just stepping it off for you to see how many feet, at least the Rambler's feet, this balcony really is.
So about a 9 by 10 deck. Again, half it's covered, half of it's not. The mini suites, they're not covered at all. The regular balconies are covered, but they're only half the size. So that's what you get with the extended balcony.
The premium balcony staterooms are basically on deck 10 or the Carib deck. They're approximately 271 square feet, about the same size of all the other balcony rooms. But these staterooms include an extended balcony. Let's take a few minutes and look at the inside of this premium balcony stateroom. So as we go into this cabin, there's some fun things we're going to get, such as a private bathroom and a shower you can almost fit into. Shampoo, conditioner, body lotion. It states there's 110 volt sockets, and there are maybe 3, counting 4 under the television. And please note, there is no European sockets. And you need to request the evening bed turn down service. And you know what? We asked for it one night, and we didn't get the chocolate on our pillow. How sad. Walk through the door there, of course you see that mirror. But to the left, you have a great closet. Now, that's one thing about Princess Cruises and their ships. They have big closets. And there's plenty of room to hang your clothes. A small safe that you can put your passport and maybe some cash in there. These shelves are great. We just took our stuff out of our luggage and stacked them there. Didn't use the drawers within the room. Just these shelves worked great. To the left of the closet, well, maybe it's in the closet, is the door to your cozy little bathroom and that tiny little shower. It's doable, but it's going to be small. Let's take a look. Squatting on our non-functional toilet, we have room to put our knees out without hitting that sink. Looking at our one outlet here in the bathroom wasn't very functional either. You know what? It could not handle a curling iron. So all the work there had to be done on the desk in the room. Here's our cruise nemesis, the toilet. It would not flush. The benefit of this is we got the tour of the ship and find all the public restrooms.
I just did. So this has been our problem. Does not flush.
At once. Sometimes it automatically builds up pressure after a few.
Okay, we'll just press it once and see what happens. I've called it in 7 times, but talking to other people on the cruise, even on the Lido deck, they're having the same problem. So they're having problems with the plumbing system on this ship. Just showing its age.
Look how cozy this bathroom is. You can do all your washing up sitting on the toilet, especially after that long day of walking in the heat.
Take a picture. You're going to have to step up. I'll see how large it is in here.
Certainly not enough room in here. Also, if you ran the shower at full blast, it would fill up that little tub area and pour over onto the floor.
Got a rounding. I got lots of elbow room if it's a smaller person like me. In here,
It's pretty tiny.
it's pretty dang tiny.
Oh dang, it's tiny in here.
In here we have Lotus Spa Sour Gel and Lotus Spa Shampoo and Conditioner. And it's kind of nice here. We got a little bit of face soap, a bar soap. Yay! That excites me. It is small in here.
It is.
Again, it kind of reminds me of the Sovereign of the Sea. About that size of room.
To give you some perspective of this bathroom size, this size of the bathroom is about what you get in your RV. Though in my RV, my shower also has a tub. Now, look at that seat. My wife has a hack. Here it goes. Toilet seat hack number 1. You can sit on that toilet seat, reach around your legs into the shower, rinse off your legs, get them soaped up so you can shave your legs in the shower, because you're certainly not going to do it by standing in that shower. So certainly sit on the toilet seat, reach your legs around, do your shaving, and there you go. Hack number one.
So, and
They give you more closet, that's fine.
but they give you more closet, yeah. But it is a pretty small room. Pretty small bathroom and a pretty small room.
A light. Just takes a second to turn on.
Doesn't look like I can do anything to make it cooler or warmer in here.
Oh, it takes a second.
We
to turn
finally
on.
got our air conditioning to work, kind of. It was so hot and muggy in our
No
room,
lights or
we just
anything,
needed to leave.
I know it turns off when you open the door.
It does.
On the left side of the bed, the light works. There are no USB ports to be found. So if you plan to charge something, or maybe work on your phone and internet laying on the bed and charge it, at least on the left side, no go. Now let's go ahead and look on that right side of the bed. Look, they have a lamp too. Could there be? Should there be some USBs? Let's hope so. Let's take a look. No go. Nope. No USBs. But the light switches sure work. They provided a mask that me and my wife get to fight over. And they've given us our special dining pass, or at least notification, and our Amber Cove Monkey Land excursion tickets. They also provided a hair blower that runs off 110. If you notice just below it, you have two 110 sockets. There's also several nice drawers in this desk that I put my audio and my video equipment in. And over here is a small bar. 2 clean glasses, but no drinks to put into it. Hack number 2. Turn down your fridge. They always keep it at a higher temperature. So if you want your drinks cold, crank her down. Now where in the heck are my outlets? That's a good question.
Supposed to be one behind the TV, supposedly, and one somewhere else.
Okay. So there should be one behind the TV, maybe. Let's see if we can even get to it. Oh, there's one right here. And I don't see any other plugs, Terry. That's one of the big problems here. Well, here's one right here. There's 2 outlets right here. Okay, that's the room tour. Okay, let's do a bed check, Terry. It looks like a narrow queen, maybe.
It's a queen.
I guess we're used to a king. It's a not bad size. Let's see how it feels. They're supposed to have really great beds. Oh, they're soft. Oh, yeah, I can sleep on this. Done. That's my bed check. Okay, awesome. Muster station, it's time to go do that. We'll watch the video, time to go to the muster station. Let's go do it. Okay, which way do you think we need to go? We're right in the middle.
There's stairs down there.
Okay, go the stairs and do the stair thing.
We did pass our mandatory muster drill, and I think they gave me an A. But I certainly could be mistaken. They did get our aircon to work, and as long as the ship was moving, our room did cool down. They changed out a broken flickering light fairly quickly in our bathroom, and they tried many times to get the toilet to work. It worked sometimes it did not. But they did give us a $50 onboard credit for the hassle, and we received a beautiful plate of chocolate at the end of the week with an apology letter for that crappy toilet. Also, the Medallion app would not load or work in our cabins. And what I also didn't mention, that midweek we started to smell a burning wire or crude oil smell. I think it was coming through the ventilation. And that lasted through the end of the week till we debarked on Saturday. Was not good. Kind of made me kind of nauseous. They will also need to work on that ventilation problem before that next group comes in. Now, thank you for joining. The question I was asked was, will I go back on the Caribbean Princess? Probably not. Terry was frustrated with the room and with the reduced staff. Did not feel like a premium cruise ship. Felt like Carnival without a party. Do me a favor, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up because this is George, the Fearless Rambler, sweating to the oldies, signing off.